What's up with it, people? Finna stroll down here to my partner Pat. He new down here from Mississippi, and he got his paint shop opened up back here around the corner from where I'm at. I'm finna pull up on him and check him out, see what he got going on. Let's see, I think Pat right here. Yeah, I think this Pat shop right here. Hey, what's up, Pee-wee? Yeah, lacrosse. I figured it had to be a lacrosse. And that's the one they want the rear main seal in. Man, look. Let me get through doing what I'm doing, Pee-wee, and I'm gonna get some numbers together for you. Cause I think to do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, let me get through doing what I'm doing, and I'll hit you back, and you can hook. Well, just text me their number, and once I get through doing what I'm doing, I'll holler at them. Okay, that's a bet. All right. What's up, Shannon? Trying to shoot a video right now, and then I gotta make a run. What's up? What's up? Oh shit, man! Man, you can bring it up there, but I ain't finna be up there for a minute, bro. I'm finna be gone for at least about an hour. All right. Yeah. Man, my bad, y'all. As soon as I shoot a video, got people calling. Y'all know how they be. My boy Pat right here. Boy on the phone. What you got going on?
A little Rolls Royce business.
I see ya.
A little slab business.
I see ya. This is what he working on here. Think he finna spray him green. See, he been doing a little work around here. We already seeing a little something. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Out the gun, baby. Out the gun. Let me see. See the reflections in there already, and it's dusty. Real dusty. Okay. Okay. Got them jams. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, watch this here, y'all. Hey, Pat. I know you're on the phone, but inquiry minds gonna say, well, yeah, that's just the dough jams and under the trunk. Can he spray the whole car like that?
Well, we about to see. America, we about to see.
Yeah.
You better know it.
Already.
A small thing to a giant. You see what the shirt say?
Already.
It's no game.
Already. Yes, sir. That's what's up.
It's about to go down.
Already. Yeah. That boy say you gonna see. Yeah, man, this my boy Pat though, y'all. I'ma be he right around the corner from me in the same building, so I'ma be coming around here shooting some footage. And pretty soon he gonna be getting his own YouTube page created, with him painting and doing body work. So once he create his, I'ma let y'all know, and y'all can go over and check out what Pat be doing over here at what it is, Busted Knuckles?
Busted knuckles.
Busted Knuckles, painting body, baby. Busted Knuckles. Y'all already know what that mean. When them knuckles getting busted, that mean work getting done. You know what I'm saying? That mean work getting done. So he Busted Knuckles painting body. Y'all gonna be looking for that pretty soon. Like I say, once he create his page, I'ma give him a shout out on my page. That way, if y'all want to check out what Pat got going on, y'all can see what Pat got going on.
In the words of Pimp C, candy paint, sweets, and dank. It's a family affair.
Oh, yeah.
It's a family affair.
Already. Hey, speaking of that, it went out. But yeah, this what's coming, y'all. This gonna be the first car hit the scene from this shop. You know what I'm saying? He done worked at some other places and put some work out there, you know what I'm saying? I'ma let him tell y'all on his shit what he used to do. I ain't gonna, cause I don't know what he want y'all to know and what he don't want y'all to know. So, we gonna leave it at that. But yeah, Busted Knuckles painting body, the boy coming soon. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see. He been around there at FSC Auto talking a big gang of shit about how he can paint. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna brag on him right now. But I like his energy, and from the first day we met, it damn near seemed like I've been knowing this man 5-10 years. You know what I'm saying? That's just how cool the vibe is. So if he can paint like how he vibe, then I think he gonna be alright, y'all. He gonna be alright. But yeah, y'all tune in, man. Busted Knuckles painting body. Like I say, he gonna be creating the page pretty soon. I'ma let y'all know what's up, and I'm gonna be shooting some footage myself to show y'all what he got going on over here at Busted Knuckles. So I'll holler at y'all later.